Oh, wow! I love the ones that are Italian. Except I know how to pronounce it, it's fragile. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Whoa. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns. It's huge. Any and everything down below. Now then. Alright, here we go. I gotta. Yeah. 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 Whoa! Let's. Yeah. It's Elman. Elman! God! Can it? I think I got it. Yeah. Go to sleep. All right. Wow. This is the biggest thing I have ever opened. Oh no. Oh no, it's damaged a little bit. This is gift. I can't wait to see what's on the other side. I can't wait. So, let's do it this way. Ta-da! Whoa, this thing is absolutely amazing. Oh, so cool. So this is the mascot for the PEZ Information Gathering, Kevin Schweighofer. Thank you so much. This thing is so cool. Shame there was a little shipping disaster there, but I can definitely overlook that. Oh, this is... I'm speechless. Cut to the promo! Alright, be sure to check out ThePIGToo, March 5th through 8th in Cincinnati, Ohio. This variation of the unconventional convention will be a great time. www.thepigevents.com. Brittany and Kevin, you guys are awesome. I'll see you at ThePIGToo!